Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kaka Kunemi. So for tonight's reading, check the comments below if you have been tagged and this is for you. This is your top, your free tarot reading video post. If you have been one of my top gifters in my live streams, thank you so much. However, this reading may also resonate to Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer. So, Ten of Cups in reverse, maybe you're being drawn sa mga tao or situations na hindi mo na dapat kinikip. Hindi na siya fulfilling sa'yo, hindi ka na masaya. The World card reversed, parang ito yung nagiging hadlang sa progress mo, sa accomplishments mo, sa completion ng isang bagay na siguro matagal mo lang pinupuntirya. Now, this may be in connection with, I don't know, maybe addiction or toxicity or habit na gusto mo nang bukasan, gusto mo nang itigil, pero dahil nga hindi mo pa rin napapakawalan yung mga taong involved or nandun ka pa rin sa same situation, so wala talagang changes na mangyayari. I don't know if you're a shopaholic or you're addicted to anything, may it be sex, may it be drugs, may it be drinking, or scamming other people. Parang you need to ano um, disconnect yourself from situations na nagtitrigger ng addiction na to, ng toxic habit na to. Pwedeng meron kang controlling partner, meron kang controlling na family member na parang laging sila yung nasusunod, kaya kailangan mo nang umiwalay. Now, what do you need to focus on aside from that is kung ano yung sisimulan mo once kumawala ka na. Like, magre-relocate ka ba? Magne-negosyo ka ba? Are you going to get in a new relationship? Or are you going to travel the world? Pero whatever that may be, puntiryahin mo yung pinaka gusto mong gawin dati pa na laging natetenga because of this situation or because of these people. And if you're going to do that, possible outcome, ayan, mamamanifest mo lahat ng gusto mo. Bottom of the deck, the Lover's card. This is you needing to forgive yourself for choosing others and disregarding your own needs. Kasi tapos na eh. Na-dismiss mo na yung mga gusto mong i-manifest for yourself. Again, it's better late than never. At least ngayon, nagising ka na. At least ngayon, okay ka nang magsimula ulit kasi na-identify mo na yung situation mo ang problem. Okay? Kaysa naman habang buhay ka mag-a-adjust. So, there. Anyway, if you would like to have a paid personal reading with me, just send me a private message, okay? I love you.